I just got back from tour. We're doing a face mask. We're getting our life back together again, guys. We're doing another getting my life back together again video. I don't even know what my daily routine is anymore. I haven't been home for longer than a week since January. Kind of losing it a little bit, but that's why we're gonna vlog and that's why I'm gonna bring you guys along. My apartment is disheveled. We have merch boxes everywhere. I left a lot of shit in different hotel rooms in different cities. I have to buy new things. I have to organize my life. I have to food shop. I have to throw out old food. My life is a mess. And we're gonna start off this vlog by fixing these nails from tour. We got new nails. They're really cute, but I'm gonna be real for a second. I feel like on this channel, I've been showing you guys the reality of going on tour. I documented the entire tour. Performing for your fans and getting praise gives you serotonin. Meeting your fans gives you serotonin. Being with people 24/7 and bonding gives you oxytocin and serotonin. I didn't know when you tour there's like a scientific, like literal come down. Coming back, I've literally experienced a mini depressive episode, and I went from not being depressed at all and being on such a fucking high to this unexpected low that I haven't been in since like last summer. I've talked to my band members and it's normal. All it is your body realizing that it doesn't have a certain chemical in the brain anymore that it got used to having. Going on tour, there's nothing natural about being on tour. It's not a normal lifestyle. You're constantly getting chemicals pumped through your brain, and then all of a sudden when you go back to everyday mundane life, those chemicals aren't there anymore. You do feel a shift in your brain, and you have to like almost retrain your brain how it was happy without having those high highs. So that's what I was dealing with. My biggest point of this video today is to like fix my life. I feel like I've done these videos before where they're like cute and it's like a to-do list. Yes, I have to like get back to my life and face the things that I've neglected, like cleaning out my fridge. Like, who wants to clean out their fridge? But I also want another aspect of this video to be like the mental health aspect, where it's like a mix of being productive while also doing things that are gonna give me a little serotonin, put that back in there, build structure back to my life. I feel like I haven't been feeling myself. I literally have not worn makeup until today since I got back from tour. And I've been back from tour for about a week as of tomorrow. I spent almost an entire week with no makeup on, no hair extensions in, pajamas, and sleeping in my childhood bedroom at home because I was going through it. Today, I want to stop that and I want adult Niki to take over. And adult Niki wants to style clothes. I did release my own collection with SHEIN for spring 2022. So the outfits I am gonna try on for you guys and style are from my collection with SHEIN. Also, thank you SHEIN for sponsoring this video because I love you guys. You Iconics get a special discount if you're watching this right now. Screenshot this, write this down. The discount code is 20Niki if you guys want 15% off all orders under $50 or 20% off all orders over $50 on the SHEIN site. Everything I'm about to try on and show you guys will be linked down below. And also, SHEIN does offer free returns within 45 days of purchasing and free standard shipping on all orders over $49. I honestly miss dressing up during tour. I think one of my favorite things was having a look in every city and getting dressed up. This will make me feel really good. And also, it is my collection with SHEIN, so I'm very proud of it. So I'm excited to try these pieces on for you guys. A lot of the pieces are edgy, very punk rock star inspired, but I also wanted to throw in some vacation-y, summery pieces because we are on the brink of summer. So keep watching, and I just want to show you guys me feeling good in the outfits that I curated with SHEIN. So let's go. This is the first outfit I'm showing you guys. I have not put on an outfit like this in a while. I went from tour outfits to just like bummy clothes, and this is an outfit I'd wear to like go out. I don't know about you guys, but I don't own any pants in this color. Every time I wear these, people compliment them. If you guys get this outfit, like literally combat boots. It's a mix of like that rock and roll dress up vibe, but it's still very trendy and normal to wear like at a boardwalk. We got some graphic. It is a two-piece set, and I don't have to put together an outfit. Like it's already an outfit. The more sets in your closet, the better. These shorts I am going to abuse this summer. It's giving festival, but they're comfortable. I feel like everybody needs a little black pair of shorts, and I paired it with this top. It kind of looks like a bandana, but you have the security of it being actually a top. I feel like you're getting beachy, but you're also still getting the edge. I never thought this summer I'd be wearing boots as much as I am. Combat boots go with everything. This is giving rock star's girlfriend. The shorts are just so sexy. I really like this top because you're playing with completely different straps, also cropped, so I think these paired together is super flattering. It cinches your waist without even trying. This is not a set. This corset comes in the collection, and so does the belt and the jeans. This entire outfit, if you guys like this outfit, you could shop the entire thing. This corset I love specifically because it's comfortable. It's not restricting by any means. I just think black and white color blocking is so cute. Other than that, I do have to say that I feel like a person again. It takes people different things to feel better about themselves, and there is just something about me and fashion. Doing my hair and makeup and putting on an outfit really changes my mental health. I feel like I've said this in so many videos. Now I feel motivated to do the things I don't want to do. All right, time to clean. Guys, I got the prettiest flowers for my birthday. These are flowers from my management, and these are flowers from SHEIN. It was a really nice treat to come home to from tour, especially after the come down. I have stuff you guys got me on tour. I have like cards. I like to keep all these in a special place in my apartment, and I dig into it when I'm really emo. We're gonna just put everything where it belongs and then clean this area. I just feel like there's so much clutter from not being home. Someone also got me Prosecco at my meet and greet. This, no matter how many times I've cleaned this thing out on this channel, it still becomes my junk thing. So I think at this point, we're gonna keep it the junk thing. I'm not even gonna waste my time cleaning it out. Like literally, how many times have I done a clean out on this channel and I clean this out and then it turns into this again? We're just gonna keep it buried away in the corner. Do this. So I decluttered the counter. I already feel so much better because I can actually do things here now. But I did go food shopping. We bought the essentials, and I gotta organize my fridge and put everything away. It's really, really hard to be in a routine when you don't food shop and you're in a bad habit of Postmating, because whenever you're hungry, it throws off your routine having to order food and wait for it versus just like going into your kitchen and making food and having it like not eat up your day. Just, you know, I just got the bare essentials, to be honest. Like everybody needs a healthy bread. Got lettuce mix. I got plain yogurt. I'm very boring. Got some berries. Can't forget avocados. I got like these healthy drinks that are just kind of like Gatorade. They have electrolytes, but they're like not as bad for you. They don't have as much sugar. They're made of coconut water. I feel like I get thirsty more than I get hungry. Can't forget oat milk. And then I got some pre-made salads because sometimes, especially when I'm coming out of like a depressive thing, I don't have the energy to make food. So I just mix this all together and it comes with dressing. Mix this all together, it comes with dressing. These are gonna help me transition back into normal life. And you can't forget eggs for breakfast. Also, I would love to declutter this. On tour, if you guys didn't see the vlogs, we had a COVID spread and 2 of our band members went home, but we were all terrified of getting COVID, so we have so many vitamins. I gotta, I'm overwhelmed. Okay, one thing at a time, Nikki. ADHD is getting to me. I'm gonna put all this away first because it needs to be refrigerated. Welcome to my fridge. I've never done this on this channel. I just changed into comfier clothes. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm done cleaning, I need to take off my makeup. Like, I'm happy that I did my makeup at the start of this video because it made me productive, but now it's time to take it off. When your makeup sits on longer than a school day, that's not it. Ugh, skin can breathe. I'm gonna be real for a second. At a ton of my meet and greets, a lot of you guys said that Nights Alone got you guys through a lot of stuff and how like all those songs like you needed. Well, the irony is that I need you guys, whenever you guys do show up and you do give me gifts, I actually use them. I actually read them. You guys also got me like really sweet things on tour that added to the space. Like, how can you not look at this and not feel love? One of you guys made this rug at my Philly show. This is beautiful. This looks like a Nights Alone rug. This is a journal I actually use. One of you guys made this journal at my very, very first headlining show in New York City. You guys made a page for each song of the EP. And then you collected a bunch of messages from all my iconics, from everyone, like with their usernames, all written out. I also have a Polaroid from the first show of tour. Yeah, I think I am going to do some self-care stuff today, not on camera. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and here, subscribe if you guys want the updates. And yeah, I'm sorry about this awkward, weird angle. I'm really over it. I'm really tired, but I also feel really productive. Thank you guys for always being there. Thank you guys for, you know, letting me do what I want with my content on this channel. Some of you guys might have just subscribed for my small business hauls, but for those of you guys to follow along the tour vlogs means so much because I love filming, I love music, and I love merging the two. Your support just means everything. Okay, I love you guys. I'm gonna end this vlog here, but there is stuff coming, and I miss vlogging in this apartment, so we're gonna do a few vlogs here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!